Welcome back to our relationship channel. Today, we have a crucial topic to discuss: the power of apologies. Healing wounds in relationships. We all know that conflicts and misunderstandings are a natural part of any relationship, but what can truly make a difference is a sincere apology. In this video, we'll explore how apologizing can bring healing and strengthen the bond between partners. So, let's dive right in. Segment 1. Importance of apologies. Before we delve into the healing aspect, let's first understand the importance of apologies. Apologies are not just mere words. They are a way to take responsibility for our actions and acknowledge the pain we may have caused our partners. Every relationship faces challenges, and sometimes, we may say or do things that hurt our partner unintentionally. However, by offering a genuine apology, we show our willingness to repair the emotional damage and rebuild trust. Segment 2. The elements of a sincere apology. Now that we understand why apologies are important, let's discuss the key elements of a sincere apology. 1. Acknowledgement of hurt. Start by acknowledging the hurt or pain caused. This validates your partner's feelings and lets them know that you genuinely understand the impact of your actions. 2. Empathy. Show empathy towards your partner's emotions. Put yourself in their shoes and try to understand how they felt in that situation. 3. Taking responsibility. Taking responsibility means owning up to your mistakes without making excuses or shifting the blame. 4. Specificity. Be specific about what you are sorry for. This shows that you've reflected on the situation and are not offering a generic apology. 5. Making amends. Consider how you can make amends for your actions. This could involve changing certain behaviors or finding ways to make your partner feel loved and respected. Segment 3. The healing power of apologies. Now, let's talk about how apologies can heal wounds in relationships. 1. Restoring trust. A heartfelt apology can be the first step towards rebuilding trust. When your partner sees that you are genuinely remorseful, it can lead to a more profound emotional connection. 2. Strengthening emotional intimacy. Apologizing can lead to open and honest communication. When both partners feel safe expressing their feelings, emotional intimacy can deepen. 3. Resolving conflicts. Apologies can break the cycle of conflicts. When one person apologizes, it often encourages the other person to respond with empathy and understanding, fostering resolution. 4. Moving forward. Apologies allow couples to let go of past hurts and focus on building a positive future together. Segment 4. Common apology mistakes. While apologies can be powerful, there are some common mistakes to avoid. 1. The non-apology. Avoid saying things like, "I'm sorry you feel that way," or, "I'm sorry if I offended you." These statements shift the blame onto the other person and don't show genuine remorse. 2. Repeating offenses. Apologies lose their power if the same hurtful actions are repeated. It's crucial to make a sincere effort to change harmful behaviors. Segment 5. Conclusion. To sum it up, apologies hold the power to heal wounds and strengthen relationships. When offered sincerely and with empathy, they can be a turning point in resolving conflicts and fostering deeper emotional connections. Remember, it's not about avoiding mistakes but how we handle them that truly matters. So, let's be open to apologizing when needed and create a more loving and supportive environment in our relationships. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more relationship tips. And as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Take care, and see you in the next video.